time under his belt, he's regularly called upon to test the outer technical capabilities, not only of the M-346, but also a wide range of aircraft produced and developed by Airshow. The M-346 is no slouch when it comes to power. Here, Captain Butchie is going to take the aircraft into almost a vertical climb. The M-346 blends the full authority fly-by-wire flight control systems with advanced aerodynamics, high thrust-to-weight ratio, and state-of-the-art systems. All of these contribute to the high performance of the M-346. The M-346 features high energy maneuverability, acceleration, and capability to fly at high angles of attack with performance that's capable to the latest generation fighters. Captain Butchie now demonstrating the slow pass of the M-346. Lining up now for a pass one last time. Ladies and gentlemen, the Airshow M-346.